In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, adjust, and stack effects on a layer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply an effect to a specific layer, fine-tune it, animate it, and combine multiple effects for polished results. First, make sure the correct layer is selected in your timeline. Click once on the video, text, or image layer you want to modify. You'll see it highlight when it's active. This matters because any effect you add will apply only to the layer that's currently selected. Next, head to the top menu and open the Effects menu. Hover over Effect, then browse the categories. You'll see options like Blur and Sharpen, Color Correction, Distort, Stylize, and Keying. As a quick guide, Blur and Sharpen helps soften or refine details. Color Correction adjusts brightness, contrast, and color balance. Distort reshapes or warps your image. Stylize adds creative treatments. And Keying is great for removing backgrounds and creating transparency. Now choose a specific effect from the category that fits your goal. For example, Gaussian Blur for softening, Glow for a luminous pop, or Curves for precise tonal control. As soon as you click an effect, it appears in the Effect Controls panel linked to your selected layer. The Effect Controls panel is where you'll manage everything about that effect from strength to style. With the effect added, it's time to customize. In the Effect Controls panel, use the sliders or type in values to dial in the exact look you want. If you want the effect to change over time, click the stopwatch icon next to a property to create keyframes. Move the playhead to a new time, adjust the value again, and the software will animate between those points. This is perfect for gradually increasing a blur, ramping up a glow, or shifting colors across a scene. You're not limited to just one effect. You can stack multiple effects on the same layer to build more complex results. Simply add another effect from the menu and it will appear beneath the first one in the Effect Controls panel. The order matters. Effects process from top to bottom. Drag them up or down to reorder and see how the look changes. For example, blurring before a glow can create a softer halo, while glowing first and then blurring can produce a completely different feel. That's the workflow. Select your layer, choose an effect from the menu, adjust and animate in the Effect Controls, and stack or reorder effects to refine the final look. Take your time, make small adjustments, and preview often to land on the style that best supports your project.